Today I thought we'd talk about the differences between a Chrysler 300 washer pump, which is the one here, and 5862 washer pump. Look very, very similar. Both manufactured by Trico, operate very similarly, but several differences. Both of these are some very original examples that haven't even been cleaned yet. Going to the Chrysler washer pump, it's still a coordinated washer like the Corvette. It has the 4 nozzles, which is the AWS4 Trico washer pump designation. Has the dry cycle adjustment screw, just like the Corvette, with the rubber gasket. Now here are the big differences. This is the water line. It is a much smaller water line. The vacuum line. Look at the difference of that vacuum line. Has the 4 ripples here on it. Plus all of the Chryslers had this red dot on it, on the nozzle. So now I'm going to take a look at this. This is water and vacuum. And we go over here to the Corvette style. Look at the difference. The water on the Corvette is 1/4 inch, and the vacuum is 3/16. So if you ended up with what somebody tells you is a real Corvette one, and it happens to have these reverse nozzles, you'll never be able to get the hose connections correctly without putting some type of reducer or some type of change on the hose to get it to work. Slightly other is the control line. This is the line that goes to the vacuum control, or excuse me, to the vacuum switch, and then this goes to the coordinator. These two are slightly larger than their counterparts on the Corvette one, slightly smaller. Hose still fits, but there's a slight difference. I didn't clean this, but even the part number around here, patent numbers are the same, but the metal top number here, it ends in a -9. If you've watched anything about or looked at any Trico stuff, they put a lot of their numbers the same, but they have a different dash for different fitments. Chryslers were -9s. Corvettes in the same spot were typically -5s. So that's how they designate changes. Now the undersides of the pump are exactly the same. There were also, like the Corvette, coordinated washer. This one doesn't have it, but most of the original Chryslers that I've seen have more of a red label with white lettering, versus the Corvette one has a white label with red lettering. But beyond that, they all operate the same, and most importantly, both styles are very rebuildable, and we rebuild both styles. So if you have any questions about either one, please drop us an email, and we'll be happy to answer any additional questions you might have or assist you in your rebuilding project. Again, this is the Chrysler with the larger nozzles versus the Corvette with the smaller ones. Let me give you a better view this way of the Corvette and this way of the Chrysler. Thank you.